Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, I have really good news on Cricket Wireless. Like I said, I really don't make too many videos about Cricket, but when I see prepaid deals, that's when I like to share with you guys. So like I said, I'm not biased to any particular carrier. I like them all, so let's get into it, guys. And I know some people use Cricket too. So guys, if you go to cricketwireless.com right now, they actually have a really good deal. We're not talking about this deal, we're talking about the iPhone 12 deal where you can save $100 off any iPhone, which is really good. I don't see any other prepaid carriers, at least the main ones that competed, which would be Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, and Cricket, of course. So when we're talking about, and this one's actually saying you can save $100, which is shocking because Cricket Wireless, out of the three that I just talked about, I believe is the only prepaid carrier that never has deals. You would see the $100 off more on Metro or on Boost Mobile. Like I said, Boost Mobile usually does have deals, and so does Metro by T-Mobile. But I guess Cricket beat everybody to it right now. So it says $100 or get $100 off any iPhone when you bring your number to Cricket on a $60 monthly plan. So remember, all these deals have to do with port-in. That's how it is. It's basically the standard now, should I say, and all the carriers. So it doesn't matter if it's postpaid or prepaid. Most of them require a port-in because, of course, they want to attract new customers. So let's get into it and see the fine details, and then we'll look at which phones, and I'll tell you which one is good or not. So it says, like I said, the promo is called get $100 off any iPhone when you bring your number to Cricket on a $60 plan. So you have to get on minimum $60 plan. You can't get anything cheaper. Here's a little fine print. It says, must bring your number to Cricket on a $60 monthly plan, voice plan, first month service charge plus taxes due on sale. So once you get this, it will charge you $60 for the plan plus taxes, and then plus the phone, of course, and taxes on that. It says porting pricing available once every 180 days, active in store, and $25 per line activation. So activation fees $25 in store. You can port in, like let's say you just had Cricket and you port it out to, let's say, Boost Mobile. You cannot port back until 180 days have expired. That way it just stops people from switching back and forth, which I think it's good. If you're going to get a carrier and get a deal from them, might as well stay with them for a couple months. It says, and additional fees may apply, restrictions apply, see offer details. But like I said, here it is. So this promotion actually ends January 7th. It says it requires new line, excludes upgrades and AT&T ports. So of course we know if you're porting in to Cricket Wireless, it can't be an AT&T carrier. So like H2O can't port in because it uses AT&T's towers. Must bring your eligible number to Cricket and activate it on minimum $6 voice and data plan. First month service, blah blah blah. It says additional one-time minimum $4 customer assistant fee. Wow. I don't even get into all these fees, but sorry, I hit the mic. And plus a $4 customer assistant fee. I guess they're, hopefully for that, they're going to transfer all your data. May apply, see cricketwireless.com, return within 7 days. So it looks like they give you a 7-day window. Up to a $25 fee may apply. I guess like a restocking fee. So wow. So of course you have to bring your ID and all that good stuff, which is great. So let's actually look into the phones, guys. Of course you can get iPhone SE, same thing. You can save $100. It was $350. You can get it for $250. The iPhone XR, which is a really good price right now. I mean, that's the one I think people would get. I mean, $300, guys, for an XR is crazy good. XS, wow, $400. I mean, of course, XS 64 gigs is pretty good. The iPhone 11 is $500. The iPhone 12 mini is $630 or instead of $730. I wouldn't really get this one personally. I don't really like it. These two are the ones I would go for more. I have this one, the 12 Pro. I just got mine. Yeah, I paid $1,000 for it. I should have, tried out Cricket or whatever. But as you can see, the iPhone 12, really good phone, guys. These two are the ones to look for if you want the newer ones. If not, if you want budget friendly, I think these two would be the ones to go with. The only reason I don't like the mini is just because it has a smaller battery, and I had the iPhone SE and just sold it recently. It was a good phone, don't get me wrong. It's just the battery is really small on it, and basically the same thing. So, and of course they also have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is $1,000. So instead of you paying for the iPhone 12 Pro, you can pay the same price for that. They also have the iPhone 11 Pro for $800 and 11 Pro Max for $900, guys. So overall, you're saving $100 on all the phones. Like I said, this is the one I went with, and I think it's a good phone. So you can see it does cost, wow, $1,100. Oh, for the Pro Max, my bad. I clicked the wrong one. Where you at? Yeah, I thought this one. Okay, here we go. So this is the one I went with. Wow, only 5 left in stock, guys. So as you can see, people are really rushing to get these deals, especially for the holidays. So of course, bring your own numbers, $1,000, and then current customers, same thing's $1,000. You have to bring your number to get that $100 savings, and of course you can finance, but just be careful because there's usually interest with that financing. Like I said, only 5 left. It's only the graphite, so they don't have any other colors. This same color I got, couldn't get the blue. There's some features right here, guys. Fast forward. Of course, they are 5G compatible. Cricket does have 5G, but in really limited areas. I don't have 5G at all near me. I have to go like 3 hours away to even get 5G with Cricket or AT&T, so it's not really worth it for me. A design push. I do like. Here's all the colors that it comes with: the white, the graphite, the gold, which is nice actually. The gold in person looks real good, and then the blue that I think everybody wants. And then it says, of course, it says hello 5G. This does do low band and gigabit speeds, but like I said, I've only seen 5G here in my area a couple times, which is great. I think it's only like in 2 areas right now. Of course, a fast A14 Bionic chip that pushes what's possible. 11 trillion operating systems, 80% faster neural engine. This is pretty cool. It does have an AR. At the speed of light, so LiDAR creates accurate depth map in nanoseconds. Subjects are placed instant and more accurately in AR experience. I don't really use this too much. That's more like when you want to see how a TV is going to look in your living room or something like that. Now this is pretty cool. I do like this feature a lot. That's one main reason I got the phone. It's because you guys know I like the camera. It says Pro Camera System, a new day for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra wide. Of course, this one has the 3 lenses. It's even better at capturing natural colors in dim light, which is good, guys. The new wide camera captures 27% more light, which is actually accurate. Like I said, I've tested out. I took a picture in almost pitch black, and you know, you had to let it do its little processing, and after that, I was able to see everything basically. 60 times more color. Wow, so it is an HDR. You can record in HDR and all that good stuff, which is great. Easy to use, durable, retain value, durable and retains value. That is true. The iPhones do retain their value, so, and of course secure. But overall, here's the main 3 specs between 3. They didn't even put the mini, but the iPhone 12 and the regular 12 Pro, the 12 Pro and the 12, both same screen size. And then of course the Pro Max is 6.7. They're all 5G compatible. Here's where this starts changing a little bit. The 12 does not have the telephoto, which actually is pretty useful in some situations. I personally don't use it that much. And of course, you can record and Dolby Vision HDR video, both in 60 frames. This one can only do 30. And of course, optical zoom 4 times on the Pro, 5 times on the Max, and then only 2 times optical zoom range on the regular 12. Of course, both of these will have the LiDAR. This one doesn't. Of course, this one, the 12 Pro and the 12 have same battery life. You can get an extra 3 hours just because on the Pro Max, because it's a bigger battery. So they all, of course, do the MagSafe, which is nice. Apple Care, which talking about that, I should probably get that. And then that's about it, guys. Overall, I think it's a good deal if you want to, like right now in the industry, you know, unless you get a postpaid deal where you can get some iPhones for free. On prepaid, I think this is the best deal currently, so it is what it is. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this. Are you thinking about getting an iPhone 12 Pro? I do have an unboxing of mine. I will have that in the description below so you guys can check that out. So thank you, guys.